In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the dark mode for Microsoft Word to make your writing experience a bit easier on the eyes. Whether you're pulling a late-night writing session or just prefer a sleeker look, switching to a darker theme can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word document. Once you've got your document up and running, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the File tab. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up a menu where you'll see several options. What you're looking for is towards the bottom of this menu, labeled Options. Click on it. Now, you'll notice that a new window titled Word Options pops up. This window, as its name suggests, lets you make different tweaks and personal adjustments to your Word experience. On the left-hand side, look for the General tab. Once you find it, give it a click. Now, scroll down in this section until you reach the area labeled Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office. This section is where all the magic happens for personalizing the look and feel of your Word interface. In this area, you'll see a drop-down menu under the label Office Theme. Click on it, and here you'll have a couple of options. For a soothing dark mode, select Black. Now, sometimes you might feel that black is a bit too intense. If that's the case, you may consider choosing dark gray for a slightly softer touch. Once you've made your choice, just click OK. That's it! You've successfully changed your overall Word theme to a darker palette. Your Word document should now have a black background with the text appearing in white, which makes for a nice contrast and should reduce eye strain during those marathon writing sessions. And here's a little bonus tip for those who want a dark background for just one document and not for the entire app. If you want only a single document to have a dark backdrop, go to the Design tab at the top of your document. From there, look for the Page Color option and select Black. Your page will turn dark. Don't forget, you might need to manually select your text and change the font color to white in some cases. Yet, you'll often find that the text changes automatically to white, aligning itself seamlessly with your dark background choice. Now you know how easy it is to switch Microsoft Word to dark mode or just personalize an individual document. Enjoy your new setup, and until next time, happy writing in comfort and style.